Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video, and I apologize one more time again, and I will apologize again tomorrow also for the way the whole noise sounds in the video. I think you already know, but if you don't know, I moved into a new space. The noise in this space is not good, and I did order already foam that is going to absorb the sound. It hasn't come yet, but I'm waiting, right? So, because I live on an island in the middle of the Mediterranean Ocean and things don't always come on time. Our airport doesn't really work, really. It's just, it's horrible. We have an airport that takes the capacity of, basically the airplane that comes has a capacity of about 20 people max, and that's about it. So, no items are coming through by air, especially if there's wind, no airplane comes at all. We wait for a boat, and if there's no ferry boat, we're screwed. All right. Also, someone left a comment saying I was wearing this the other time, this t-shirt in another video, and the person said, "Hey, where'd you get this at? Gabriel's or Michael's or something like that?" I get how they asked that, but to that person, if they're watching, I don't live in the U.S., so I don't have access to any of those stores, which I wouldn't mind shopping in. I'm guessing those are stores that sell cheap clothing. I don't know. I don't have a problem shopping there. But yeah, just so you know, the person that left that comment, brands don't give a crap about you. They don't at all. So, I don't know how you would judge a person that's homeless. That's pretty scary. That's pretty scary. When you're judging people, if this is a brand shirt or not, which I could care less if it is or not, I really don't know. What I want to talk about in this video is Warren Buffett. What Warren Buffett has done since 2022, since last year and this year, is something to seriously stop and think about, because Warren Buffett doesn't go all out in a company all of a sudden in such a short period of time. Right? He hasn't done that in a very long time. Right? He usually will go very slow, small positions, years will go by, and so on. I mean, the largest position Warren Buffett has, is Apple. And Berkshire Hathaway has been in Apple for a long time, and they're filthy rich. I mean, they're making a lot of money off of Apple, right? But Warren Buffett made a dramatic, I would say, big move in Occidental Petroleum, guys. In Occidental Petroleum, and he pretty much made these moves, and it wasn't a one-time buy, since last year 2022 and into 2023. You know that, I know that. I made a video about it in 2022, back in June of 2022, and I've talked about it many times. But why in the world did he? I mean, doesn't that make you think, like, why is he in such a huge rush to accumulate in such a small period of time so much of this company? And guess what? He's not going to stop. And I can prove to you why he won't stop. I can prove that to you. Before we get into that, Discord is I have a channel on Discord, a server. It's called Bull Market Watch. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. You'll have access to everything that I buy and sell. Before I buy it, before I sell it, I always announce. I'll buy ticket symbol ABC, let's say, right? I announce also what price I will buy it, and I think that helps people out, right? Just some examples. June 6, 2023, I said that I will buy ASO at 958. ASO right now is at 1057. On June 15, 2023, I said that I will buy Note at 268. Note right now is at 366. On June 28, I said that I would buy Lucy and ACHR. Lucy at 96 cents, which I sold for a loss at 89 cents. That was a dumb buy, dumb. Lucy is a horrible microcap, non-profitable stock. So big mistake on my part. And I mean, I knew it. I just thought it was going to go up. It was going to be a day trade, but yeah, it didn't. So that was dumb. And also ACHR at 345. ACHR right now is at 414. Then on June 26, I said that I would buy XPEV, XPEV is the ticker symbol, at $10.16. Right now it's at $13.42. And you can also have access to all the other traders, over 800 traders, chat with each other, share ideas, and so on. And also the latest news into the Discord in different categories. Like I said, Buffett has a huge buying spree in Occidental Petroleum, which is something that should make everyone pause and think, like, why in the world because he seems to be in a huge rush. In fact, with his latest buy that was announced about 5 days ago, he has now officially increased his stake in Occidental Petroleum to 25%, which is insane. Buffett first began buying Occidental in early March 2022, starting off with 29.8 million shares. It didn't take long for Berkshire's stake to grow considerably. By the end of the month, the conglomerate owned more than 136 million shares of Occidental Petroleum. Beginning in May of 2022, the legendary investor added to Berkshire's position in Occidental for 5 consecutive months. After a temporary pause, Buffett resumed his purchase in March of 2023. So far this year, Berkshire has added 30 million shares of Occidental Petroleum. And back on June 24, 2022, I had done this video. The stock was then at 56, and I talked about Occidental Petroleum, rated it, personally speaking for me, a buy. It had gone up to 72 after that video, then it went back down, then it went to 65, and so on. It just goes up and down. Right now, Occidental Petroleum is at $59.32 as I'm doing the video, which I think is a great entry price, personally speaking for me. So is there more to come? That's what people want to know. Is this over? Did Warren Buffett just buy up to 25% and he's done? No. I mean, this is going to become, like I said, after Apple, in my opinion, the second largest holding for Berkshire Hathaway. There's one especially important indication that Buffett has more than just a passing interest in Occidental Petroleum. That is because in August of 2022, Berkshire obtained approval from the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission to acquire up to 50% of the company, and they got that approval. So up to 50%, they already have 25% stake in the company. Why would they go through all the trouble to apply and get approval for to be allowed to buy 50% stake in Occidental Petroleum and then stop at 25%? They're not going to stop. They could be buying right now as I speak. We'll find out in the next 13th filing. What do analysts have to say about oil? And I think that's one of the reasons, one of the pieces of the puzzle of why Warren Buffett is interested so much in Occidental Petroleum. Analysts say that revived demand in China could lead Brent crude oil, the international benchmark, to soar close to $100 a barrel. If we look at the current prices right now, WTI crude oil is at $70. Brent is at $74.87. If we look at Occidental Petroleum's revenue, healthy, great, $37.9 billion in 2022. The analysts give it a high of $80 in the 70s, the 60s, and so on. But I personally think that Occidental Petroleum is going to, when oil hits $100 a barrel, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, it's not a fact, nor should you base any investments, hypothesis or decision on this, but my opinion for Occidental Petroleum at $100 barrel, $100 price per barrel is that Oxy hits $95 a share. That's my opinion. Especially as Berkshire Hathaway increases their stake in the company. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about Occidental Petroleum.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.